In this video, we will learn how to add dotted line in PowerPoint. So let's start. This is my PowerPoint. Go to the Insert tab in Illustration group. Click on the Shapes option. In lines, just select the first line and just draw. Before that, just press the Shift key to straight line. Okay. So when you press the Shift key, you can easily draw the straight line. Okay. I just draw here the straight line. Then simply right click of the mouse on the line, click on the format shapes option and click on here the thickness for here. So 0.5, so I just manually enter here 5 and you can see the changes on the line thickness. Okay, you can change here color also. Click on the colors and select the color those you want. Now in dash type, just click on it option and you can see the different dash line you can select here, and if you want dotted line you can see the dotted line also here, and other line also available in different dash type. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.